welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. I just wanted to show you guys today how I am packing some of my orders. These are card orders, and that is the card. I put each card into an A2 size envelope because it is an A2 card. When I have a single card being shipped, I typically pack it in an A6 size envelope because it fits well enough. Once I put it in the individual envelope, this envelope then can fit inside of this envelope, which is an A6 size. Once I do that, I usually put the shipping label on and ship it out. Now, this is an order of 5 cards, so this is going to go in a bigger bubble mailer size envelope. But I had somebody reach out to me and ask, hey, when you do your cards, do they fit into the individual envelope? Most of my cards are A2 size, and so as you can see, it fits perfectly inside that A2 envelope. In the past, when I first started cards and was trying to figure out sizing and stuff, I could fit it in an A6 envelope, but you can see if you put it in an A6, there's a lot of wiggle room inside. So I prefer an A2 card in an A2 envelope, and then once everything is said and done, I can slide the card, the packing information, and all that into another size envelope. So in terms of shipping cards, I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.